Hi guys, it's Krish here from the Carmarthen Camera Centre and Cairn Photography, and I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about our new workshop plan for the rest of the year going forward. So as you can remember guys, at the turn of the year we put up a Facebook poll. We put the power in your hands as to what we would be shooting first, and portraiture came out on top. As you can see from my surroundings, I'm in a little studio setup. A couple of props here behind me and single light, and that's part of what we'll be covering in the first workshop. Okay, we're going to be looking at it from a real beginner's point of view. Off of that session you'll be walking away with your own shots, hopefully some real insight into how to shoot studio, and we're going to sign you up for a second day where we're going to be making the photograph. So we're going to book into the university, use their Mac suite in order to edit those photos, and at the end of it we're going to give you a little prize after judging, and you can walk away with a free session on Carmarthen Camera Centre. So keep an eye out for that. Okay guys, that's coming up pretty soon. But a couple of bits that we're going to cover. So the first session, for example, is going to be myself and Ian Munro. Krish versus Ian in a sort of a shootout, if you will. So we're going to split you down the middle into two groups where we're going to be shooting a real basic lighting setup with myself, so a single lighting setup, not too dissimilar to what I've got going on here at the moment, and Ian's going to be talking you through a little more advanced studio flash type setup. In the afternoon then, we're going to switch over, and I'll have the second group with me for a more basic cutback type setup versus Ian's guys then, who are going to be doing a little bit with the famed Photix Indra setup. Okay guys, now obviously the aim of this is, we're not trying to sell you anything. We just want you to come away with the knowledge. Okay guys, you come and see me in shop if you want to buy anything. There's a plug there for you. We're going to be talking about flash triggers. We're going to be talking about constant lighting. As I've already mentioned, we're going to be talking about the flashes as well, and your camera, your basic setup as to how to shoot studio. So guys, if you would like any further information about our workshop, please do keep your eyes peeled on all of our social media and our website at Carmarthen Cameras or www.carmarthencameras.com. We're on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Okay guys, also feel free to ping us over an email with any queries that you might have, info@carmarthencameras.co.uk, and finally, keep your eyes peeled on Eventbrite for tickets that will be going up. That's almost imminent now, with all the dates and all the correct information about this workshop. Okay, so come and check us out. Krish Nagar Photography versus Ian Munro Photography for your very first studio portraiture setup. All right guys, we'd love to see you there, and we're really looking forward to it. You can find Ian on Facebook. You'll find him on at his website as well, which hopefully he's updating. Ian, drop me a line if you're not, pal. We'll pull the plug on that. But Dan, you got your own website as well, haven't you, dude?
Yeah, daniel-griffiths.com.
Daniel-griffiths.com. Go and check him out on that. Awesome stuff. You can tell from the quality of his video, he's a very talented young individual, and I've sort of drafted him in for not only this, but a couple of events that we've got coming up. Okay guys, so keep your eye on him, rising star. Want to push him forward. All right, hit the like button, subscribe to his YouTube channel, follow him on social media. You know the score. I'll see you next time. I'm Krish from Carmarthen Cameras.